Hi, good evening to all. As you know that the result of 10th has came, and now we are in the process of to get admission into 12th. So I am here to discuss about the physics subject, that how could we take the good marks in the physics while studying in the 12th class. So we will discuss about some basic concept of the physics and how could we get good marks in the coming examinations, and we will also try to know that what are the strategies, what are the plan through which we can get good and decent marks in the competitive examination from the physics subject. My friend, for learning anything, first of all you should have an interest in the particular field. If I want to learn physics, if I want to get good marks in the physics, first of all I have to be the absolute belief that I could get the marks. So for that one, I could enjoy the particular subject. Like here I'm talking about the physics, I should enjoy the physics subject first of all. I think I should think about that. Okay, I can get good marks, and physics is the very enjoyable subject. I can say that it is a very most important subject I have been ever study actually in the science stream. This is a mostly enjoyable, you can say most enjoyable subject, and you feel like this that this physics is the enjoyable. I think you can learn lots in the physics with minimum efforts. If you think physics is tough, so believe me, you can get a problem. So try to think, try to make a plan. Okay, physics is the very easy subject, and you are going to get good marks from this subject in the examinations. So first of all, before taking the 12th uh, 12th subject, right, and before studying the book of 12th of physics, try to be note down the previous basic concept, right, what you have learned in the previous class. Try to be acquire that ones. Like you need to be focused on the basic concept of the physics, what you learned in the previous classes. Once you get the refresh about all the topics, all the subject, then you can go for a study NCERT book of physics of class 12th. Because why I'm saying this, because if you do not recall, if you do not refresh the concept, it take a might be have a chance that you could not get understand will study the 12th physics of NCERT. So that's why I'm recommended that first of all go through the previous class physics subject to get refreshed and get updated. So how could we start? How we can start to learn physics of class 12 particularly? My friend, if I talk about class 12 physics, so class 12 physics is, I can say, most enjoyable section, you can say, in whole academic session, because here you can actually learn the applications, right? Application of the physics, application of the theories, you can say, you can learn here. So it is very interesting a section that you are going to be learning in the future. But friend, the marks weightage of the class 12 is very important for taking the any professional taking the admission in any professional course. So just believe yourself, believe in yourself that you are going to get good marks from this subject. So my friend, in the 12th, there is a theory, there is a 8 subject, 8 chapter actually, but 3 chapter is most important. It's covered more than 50% of the whole syllabus. It is very important, you can say. The first chapter is electrostatics. Electrostatics cover 40%, you can say, of the whole chapter of the physics of class 12. And second is the current electricity. It is very interesting chapter, you can say, electrostatics, because here you can see the real application of the theories of the physics. So it is very enjoyable and very interested chapter in the class 12th of physics. And third is the you can learn electromagnetic field, like EMI you can going to be learn. And the fourth and last is very modern physics. Here you can learn about optics and the X-ray and the theory of relativity. So this three chapter can cover more than 50% of the syllabus. So, and it is very interesting chapter, you can say, in whole syllabus. So in electrostatics, here in electrostatic, if you know, I think we all have been go through about the charge. If you understand the charge, what is the charge and what is the property of charge, because electrostatics means electron is in a static. It means when the electron is in static, what is the behavior of electron and what is the behavior of current. So we can read about this topic in electrostatics. And now in the second chapter, like current electricity, here we can learn about movement of charge. First chapter, charge was stationary, but in the second chapter, in current electricity, charge is movable. So it's very quite similarity between the electrostatics and current electricity chapter, and very interestable, very interlinked chapter, you can say. So that's why it has came in the second chapter of the class 12. So I hope you can get my point and focus on your coming chapter, you can say, in coming session, and learn